Hi crafty friends, this is Sylvia. I hope everyone's having a wonderful night. So tonight we're going to have a little mini haul. So let us begin. This is from Scarlet, my buddy Scarlet. She has an Etsy shop called JustMinderBusiness, and she also has a YouTube channel, Scarlet's Little Crafty Corner. And sending lots and hugs to Scarlet. She had knee surgery today, and she's home, so we're praying for she has a speedy recovery and she'll be fine. Okay, let's see what I ordered. Okay, I removed all my info. Okay, it says, Sylvia, you are the best. Thank you again for your order. If it wasn't for you, I probably wouldn't have any customers, and that is not true. Love you, my friend Scarlet, because Scarlet, you are awesome. Okay. All right, let's see. Let's get them all up. Okay. And she has wonderful things, you know, on her Etsy shop. All right, let's see. Always a cute little bag. Here's a hair scrunchie. Okay, let's put that. Actually, I can wear that as a bracelet. And she always sends, and by the way, this is a friendship bracelet. Last time I didn't know what it was, but then she says, Sylvia, it's a friendship bracelet. I'm a little slow, guys. Let's see if I can do this. I think I have to make it smaller. I have a small wrist. Okay, is that good? All right, let's see. So we got candy here, of course, for grandma. And always little diamonds. Okay, I'm collecting them. Let's put them over here. This is, oh, there's another candy here, watermelon candy. And we've got washi tape and a placer and some, what do you call this, wax, and a little nail filer. Very cute. And of course, the cards, her cards are, let's see, Just Mind Your Business, Scarlet Handley. She's the owner and creator. I will continue to add items to my shop, so please continue to check back often. Thank you for supporting my small business. I appreciate you. Okay. And she always says a thank you card. And, oh wait, thank you for your support. I appreciate you, Scarlet. And of course, she always sends you a kindness matters, which these are awesome, guys. One kind word can change someone's entire day. So true. Say something nice to someone. Be polite on the road. Make a difference. Make someone laugh. I like that one. Make someone laugh. Okay, so here we have a mermaid's tail. Pretty cool. Love the colors and the pattern. And then here we have this cool. I don't know if these are like minivans. Love all the decorations on it. And then look at all those chickens. Oh my gosh, this is cute. Okay, let's put these over here. And now let's get some scissors. And she always wraps everything individually in tissue paper. Oh my gosh, I've forgotten that I had ordered this. This is a Yorkie. I used to have a little Yorkie, guys. His name was Milo, and he passed away in 2018. Okay, let's see. Yep, look, it looks just like Milo. Oh my gosh. Just like Milo. Let's remove this paper. Pretty cool. Let's put the candy over here. Let's put little, his name is going to be Milo. Let's open the next one. And last time I told you guys that my daughter used to love Lilo and Stitch, and she had the Stitch doll, stuffed doll, and she carried it everywhere she went or we traveled to. And so I got these for her. Okay. Let's take this paper off. Oh my god, look how cute he is. And he's holding a little, like a little stuffed doll too. See that? That's just too cute. Okay, what else did I get? This is a pink tissue paper. Oh yeah. This one, I love too. I love them all. This one says, "Who runs the world?" Girls, of course. All right. And this is the last one. Okay. And this one, let's remove the paper. That's cool. And this one says peace. Very cool. Okay, so I got these 4 cover minders. Thank you, Scarlet. Love all your cover minders. But I ran out of space on my board, magnetic board. So I got to figure something out. Okay, and then I have a light pad that was sent to me from a gentleman who is basically, he sells these light pads on Amazon. So figure try it out. It's by Toheto. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right. Toheto. And it's a wireless battery powered light pad. Okay. It's pretty, I mean, the box, of course, it's a little heavy, but I'm sure it's the light pad is light. It's an A3. It's lithium battery tracing light pad, 3-color temperature, 6 levels adjustable, built-in 6 levels of brightness. Okay, well, let's open this up. Let's open this baby up. Soft light eye protection. I like that. Ooh, pretty cool. Comes with a little doggy. Tracing paper. You know, Olivia's gonna want these. Okay. Let's put that aside. And this is, I guess, to charge it. And it doesn't need battery, so you can charge this. I'm gonna charge this to my lamp. Got a stick. I don't know what the stick is for. Okay, let's see. It came in a nice box. See if I can get it out. Okay, it's up here. Okay, very nice, guys. It's not heavy. It's light, actually. Okay, comes with the instructions. LED light pad. Okay, it says place the copy table on the flat table and connect to the power source, which is this. So here you have the switch to switch brightness adjustment. And then it's got 3 color temperature adjustments. So there's a white light, a warm light, and a yellow light. All right, no, I don't think it's going to work because I have to charge it. Oh, and then of course you peel this. To peel this off, guys. It's nice size. I like the size a lot. I like that it has numbers on the top and on the side. Pretty cool. Okay. So this is the, I guess, to turn it on. Oh, it does work. Whoa. Okay, I see. So it has 3 colors. So it's got a white color, and then it's got a normal color, and then a warm color. Okay, and then it's got 6 levels of brightness. So I guess this is the brightness. So let's turn on the white color. Okay, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Yep. Okay, and then I turned it off. So it's got 6. And then what's so cool is back here. So you can, I think he's got, let's see, how does this work? See if I can figure this out. So like that. Oh yeah. Oh, this is perfect, guys. when you're working on a small painting. Very nice, guys. So I'll try it out, see if I like it. But the good thing about it is that it's like I mentioned before, it's wireless, battery powered. Because I do have a couple of other light pads, but they come with a cord. They're not wireless, and sometimes it's a pain to use the wire. But this is good. This I think I'm gonna like this. So I'm gonna try it out, and that's about it, guys. Let's put this aside and bring out the my beautiful. Let's put this flat and bring my cover minders. Oh no, I don't know if that. Let's see. Okay, so I've got the 4 cover minders. I've got my stickers and my light pad. All right, guys, that's about it for tonight. Bye bye.